September 10th, 2022. This is the 17th annual Japanese Classic Car Show in Long Beach, California. Nissan showed off the new 23Z. The 23Z includes an impressive list of standard features for $41,000.
You know the dealer markup's gonna be ridiculous.
This gun metallic 2023 Nissan Z is only the second one I've ever seen. The first Z that I saw at 2021 JCCS was a Syrian blue tri-coat with super black roof performance model with the 19-inch black wheels. So this graphite car looked completely different than the blue car. Even the proportions of the car were optically changed. The base wheels are incredibly tiny. Shockingly, the 18-inch wheels in combination with the very large fenders made the proportions of the car look larger than they should. I think if you were to buy this car, you would have to spec the 19s to make the proportions look a little bit better. Thank you for watching my sneak peek of the 2023 Nissan Z at the 17th annual Japanese Classic Car Show at Marina Green Park in Long Beach, California. You may also like to watch some of my other JCCS videos from previous years. Have a great day!